Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Are you looking for a simple and easy last-minute drink to serve for the big game? Well, I got you covered. Y'all know how much I love sweet tea, and being a Southern girl is my favorite drink. And today, we are going to give it a twist. We're going to make orange sweet tea. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and loaded with orange flavor. And if y'all fan of orange and tea, y'all going to love and enjoy this. Perfect to serve any time of the year. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more tea and Super Bowl recipes, check out my sweet tea and game day recipes playlist and my previous video, hot and cheesy shrimp dip. I'll post a link to all three of those down in the description box below. So grab your pitcher, your orange juice, and get your tea brewing sugar because we're about to make some orange sweet iced tea magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my measuring cup, I have 8 small tea bags. Now we're going to add in 6 cups of hot water. And we're going to let the tea steep for 10 minutes. All right, my friends, our tea is nice and steep, and my measuring cup was overflowing, so I poured it in a large bowl off camera. Now we're going to remove the tea bags. And now we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. Going to give it a quick stir until the sugar dissolves, and the tea is still warm, so it will dissolve quickly. Okie dokie, the sugar has dissolved. Now we're going to pour the tea into our pitcher. Time to build the tea. Into our warm tea, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure orange extract to give our tea a little bit more orange flavor. Next, we're going to add in the star of the show, the orange juice. And I'm using a 112 fluid ounce can of frozen orange juice concentrate that I thawed. And that's 1.5 cups. You can also use fresh orange juice. Or to give the tea a little jazz, you can add in some orange liqueur. And last but not least, 6 cups of cold water. Give everything a quick stir until they're well blended. And that's it, my friends. How simple and easy was that? Our tea is ready to serve. So now I'm about to pour it into my mason jars. All right, my friends, I got my mason jars right here and I filled them up with ice. Now we're going to pour some tea. Now we're going to add on an orange wedge, some fresh mint sprigs, and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Southern sweet orange iced tea. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Cheers. Touchdown. Crisp, refreshing. I could taste both the tea and the orange. Oh, there's nothing like citrus tea. It is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Orange sweet tea-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Super Bowl.